Oh, I'm just testing it. Hey, Dave. Hey, the David Avilas. What you doing?
Nothing.
My name is Steve Hadjiredes, and I'm the user of Steve Hadjiredes. And this is the David Avilas, and we are at his house right now with my camera, and I will be posting this on my channel. And he is eating.
This is awkward.
What are you picking down there, boy?
What?
Oh, look at his. Yeah, so it's David's stuff, and he's getting his camera.
It's Steve Hadjiredes.
So yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.